We have a cone in this question and we have to calculate the volume for 5 marks to two significant figures. The only issue is, though, if you have a look at the formula sheet, you will get 1/3 pi r squared height. There's one issue. In fact, there's two issues, but the biggest issue is you're not given the radius. The second issue, which height? Is it the sloping height or the perpendicular height? I will answer both of those questions in that order. So to find the radius, you have to recognize that there's a little bit of Pythagoras in 3 dimensions going on. So we are told that the sloping height mn is 24 centimeters. And the perpendicular height on is 22 centimeters. And mo is the radius. The perpendicular height, as the name suggests, is perpendicular to the surface at the base. So the base and the perpendicular height are at right angles. So as you can see, we can make up a 3-dimensional Pythagoras situation. Or you should be able to notice this. This is one of the more difficult questions, but it's a good one to have a go at. So we want to use Pythagoras to find the radius r. I will answer the question about which value of h to use in a second. So what we have to do is the hypotenuse is mn squared equals no squared plus mo squared. We get 24 squared equals 22 squared plus no squared mo squared, so that is r squared. Now we can take away 22 squared from both sides to get r squared on one side. And let's then plug this into the calculator. And we get the answer 92. Now there's no point finding r, the radius, and the reason is because we can plug r squared in. So we don't even have to actually find r. Let's just put r squared equals 92 in. Now h in this formula is the perpendicular height. It is this one, not the sloping height. So we have h equals 22 centimeters. Now you could find r, the radius, if you really wanted to, but I'm just going to put r squared in. One third pi times r squared is 92 times 22. And we're going to get the answer of 2119.52784. And the units in the question were centimetres, so we are going to use centimetres cubed. Now we're almost done. We just have to give it to two significant figures. Now the first digit is 2, the second is 1, so stop between the first one and the second one, and the second one is less than 5, so rounding down to 2100 centimetres cubed, and we say to two significant figures the volume is 2100 cubic centimetres. And we finished question 15. So I hope you found this video useful, and thank you for watching.